I did what any sane person would do, and I quit my job and I moved to Korea to minimize my expenses, and I decided to learn full-time. Learning full-time was a lot harder than I thought. I've actually never studied anything this complicated or tough before, and I was quickly starting to realize that I didn't really know how to study at this pace. I would sit in front of my computer and hours would go by. That was when I went online, I typed in how to learn, and I found a course called Learning How to Learn by Barbara Oakley. This course was life-changing. My two main takeaways were: one, it taught me how to learn in spaced segments, a technique called Pomodoros, and the course taught me that I needed to create a dedicated space for learning, so I joined a co-working space so I could focus better. Now armed with new knowledge, I got back to studying, and it worked. Here's what a normal day looked like. 8 a.m., wake up. 8:30, head to the train station. 9 a.m., arrive at the co-working space. 9:15, coffee, journaling, reviewing the curriculum. 9:30 to 12:30, I would have my first study session where I did 30-minute increments of Pomodoros. From 12:30 to 1:30, I would eat lunch and take a small break, then back to studying. From 2 p.m. to 6:30, it was more 30-minute increments of Pomodoros until I was ready to head out. From 6:30 to 7:30, I would gym 3 times a week, and then 8:30 to 9, I would eat dinner with my grandma, then help her clean. This was my schedule for 6 days a week, no exceptions.